Now, step 3, list your weekly KPI. KPIs are key performance indicators. Write down weekly checklist, 1 to 10. So for instance, calls. I need to do 200 calls. Or showings. I need to do 3 showings. Or 10 showings. Or you can say open houses. I need to do 5 open houses a month. Or 10 or open house. Whatever the number is. Weekly KPIs. And then you do columns, right? And you're checking it every week. Okay, this week I did this week I did that, whatever your KPIs are. If you're sending hand mail, how many hand mails do you need to send? You're sending postcards, how many do you need to send every week? If you are doing emails, how many emails do you need to send? If you're doing social media posts, how many videos or newsletters do you need to post? Weekly KPIs, you need that. That's step number 3. So you see how you're going now. This is my target. This is the source of the leads. These are the weekly activities that I'm going to do to fulfill the source of the leads. And if I do that, that would then translate into me meeting my step 1, which is my target sales. So step 3, list your weekly KPIs.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.